This is a Pokemon Pokédex thing from Germany. I've already read out this letter once before, so I'll just do a quick replay of that. Second, I have a battery-operated first-generation Tiger Pokédex from 1998, the Red Edition, that unfortunately won't power on anymore. The Pokédex thing is a German version, quite rare, but in very, very good condition. Thanks, Replay Steve. So this thing is pretty cool. I mean, I have no idea what it does. I don't really play Pokemon. But I guess Schnapse die alle is gotta catch 'em all in German. Right, let's pop some batteries in. Ah, it already has batteries in. I'm guessing it's not going to come on. No. Let's just see if we've got any any voltage in those batteries. Multimeter in voltage DC. Thank you, David. And nope, there's 3 millivolts. Micro millivolts, whatever they are. And same, they are both completely dead. Here's two fresh batteries, 2032s. Let's see what's in this one. 3.26, and this one 3.18. They should do nicely. I don't actually know why it's got two. Why would it have two? Oh, that says backup, main and backup. Okay. Right, well, let's pop them both in. I presume you only need main, but I don't know. Right, is that going to come on? No, it is not. Okay, so I guess that means we're going to take it apart. Oh, in case you're wondering why this is here, that's the thing I fixed in the last video. It doesn't need to be there.
No time to waste, getting in quick, so let's CD fast. Brian Mitchell first pick, Lee Burns, Webpool, Ed McLaughlin, Dr. Princess Wizard, Cooley Jenkins is in. Steve the Stove, Christopher Shaw, Free on TV, and the Mighty 74. Moving on, HSG imminent, Gary Rod, Pokey Resident, Chris Jenkins, David Smith, Daniel DB, Engelberg, Danny King, Terrell Purple, Esther, and Keegan Badger, Squatch, B Money, Hansi Holmick Adams, Johnny Holland. Tom Boys, Skystar Dreamer, Powerless 11, Highlight Soccer Fans Cutter, Aaron Boyson, Elliot Caffey, 100% impure, and let my peace.
Okay, I mean, there's a little bit of discoloration here, but nothing I would have thought that would make it not work. A little bit of debris around there. Let's take this board out. There's a lot of screws here, actually. Don't want the screen to... Oh, it's there on that side, okay. So the screen is around here. I'm going to guess it's like some kind of zebra connector, but we'll find out. This is like taking apart a PlayStation 5. So many screws. Oh, wow. I've just noticed that there. That does not look right. No, that does not look right at all. But we'll come back to that. Oh my lord. Too many screws. Oh my, just more. Oh my god, there is more.
Now stop whining!
Okay, it is zebra connectors, but it stayed connected, so I should hopefully not have to get involved in that. I don't know why I did that, I didn't really need to, although now I can see that that capacitor is not well. Look at the state of it. That's not supposed to look like that, is it? Why has it got no markings on? That's annoying. I mean, it's next to something else that also has no markings on. I mean, I'm saying it's a capacitor, I'm guessing it is. Let's get this under the microscope, and let's have a look. Now I'm going to desolder this speaker, and then we can get this under the microscope and have a close look at what I think is a capacitor there. Okay, so we have, I mean, quite a bit of flux, and some what looks like glue. Yeah, that looks like hot snot, doesn't it? That's weird. And then we have an exploded capacitor. What has happened? Is that a capacitor? Flip it over. Oh, wow. Well, I'm guessing that's the problem. Is that will that have shorted maybe? Let's test it. Multimer and continuity. Yep. So we've got short across that cap. I don't know what that is. Is that also a capacitor? Or could that be like an inductor maybe? This is where oh, that's why there's flux there, because that's where the speaker cables were. Although I didn't add any flux, so that must have already been there. This is going to be a little amplifier for the piezo buzzer for the speaker. And I think the problem is just going to be that. If I take that out, I reckon the short's going to go. Problem is, it's got no markings on, so I don't know what to replace it with. Right, I've just Googled Tiger Pokédex PCB, and look at this one, it's completely different. So it's got what looks like an inductor up there where the buzzer is. There's a capacitor down here, but that's not what this board looks like. In fact, it's completely different. All these diodes are different. It must be like a newer revision. This is a 1998, which is the same. And, I mean, it's different, again, but it's a C3 and L4. So that is an inductor and a capacitor. Next to that, a little amplifier chip and the resistor, which are present. And luckily, well, it's 220 microfarad, definitely. It's either 10 volt or 16 volt. I don't suppose it really matters. It's only got 3 point something volts going in. 220 microfarad. That is, I think, what needs to be in there. Interesting that it's got all that glue on it. And this does have remnants of glue, doesn't it? There's some remnants here. So, I mean, I don't know whether that's been replaced at some point and it's also blown again. I don't know. But there's definitely remnants of glue. In fact, there's a bit right there. Anyway, let's take it out, see if the short goes, because it might not do. And if it does, replace it with a 220 microfarad 10 volt. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's just get rid of that. And let's just see if the short has gone. We're still on continuity. The short has gone. That, I think, is the problem. Let's tidy that area up. And I'm going to clean it with some isopropyl alcohol, 99.9%. Nice. And here we have a 220 microfarad 10 volt cat. Probably don't need the legs to be as long as that. There we go. Nice. That the part of this trace looks like it's come away. I wonder whether that's because it's been like really hot. I don't know. I am going to put some hot snot on it. I mean, I don't know what the hot snot does, but it was very clearly on that other picture, so I don't think it's going to do any harm. And I also noticed there was a crystal there, and that crystal should be hot snotted down, but the hot snot has failed, so I'm just going to put a blob there as well. Well, I would do if any hot snot came out of my glue gun. Okay. Right, I think that's good enough. Let's put it back together, see if it works. Okay, that is it. Fully back together. I can get rid of those old batteries now. Is it going to come on? The question on everybody's lips. It's already on! Get in there! Name. Yes. Stes. Is that enter? Yes. Datum jar. 2026. Nice. Enter. Datum TTMM. I don't know. Let's just pretend it's the first of the first. And it is 1201. Correct. Oh! Yes! Now I know that one. That's Pikachu. What does it do? What does it do? What does it do? Ner Favo Sort Fang. Fang. Fang Losh Le. I don't speak German. Catch. Loose. List. Nice. Well, let's catch. Name. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Okay. This is Good Times Gaming. Yes, mine's already done this. It did it a minute ago. But now mine says error. Charizard? Charizard. And then plus. Oh. My overhead camera's gone off again. That happened last week or the week before. It's not even that hot today. I think I'm going to have to fix it in another video. Why does it keep going off? This one's fine. Right, let it cool down for a few minutes. Hopefully the camera's not going to go off. Right, so Charizard, he pressed the plus button, and it gave the picture, and it said the height and the weight. And I don't know if it does anything else. Type flame. Okay, I'm kind of giving this away just to, because this might work. It doesn't work. What? Have I spelt it wrong? Error. I don't know how this thing works. Ah. To look up Pokemon on the German version of the Tiger Pokédex, you must search using the German Pokemon names. Obviously. Oh, you can search by number. Right, so highlight. Okay. This would be so much easier if I could speak German. Ah, right. Fang, number. Number Wang. Right, type the 3D. Okay, so let's try 006, because that was the one they had before. Charizard, wasn't it? 006. But this one is Glora. There it is. Right, so if I press this, or was it this? I can't remember. It was that. You just press this. Yeah. I don't understand what's going on. Okay. Help. Oh, why not? Let's try a different one. Number. 150. 150. Mewtwo. I mean, again, I don't know what that one is in English, but it looks like that. 20 meters? 2 meters? Kilograms? It's all in metric. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, it's safe to say it works, and it is a lovely little thing. If you were into Pokemon, I can imagine this would be amazing, but I am not. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a cool little thing. I really like it.
Stupid, schnapp sie dir alle.
It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor stalks his prey in the night, and he's watching us all with the eye of the tiger.